No. No, no, no. Hold on the puck.
All right, let's go. Oh, go Ovi.
Oh!
Oh.
What was that? Hey!
Oh. Oh my God.
Oh.
What a save!
I don't know. The clock.
That's my bad, Ovi.
Oh, Jesus.
Pull the goalie, Alex. Pull the goalie.
No, not yet.
I don't know. You gotta pull the goalie.
Oh.
There you go. Well, oh, there we go. Oh my God. I know. I'm sorry. I'm nervous.
Oh. We got another one.
Another
Ooh.
penalty? 5 on 3.
Ovi
That's
and
it. It's
Wayne.
over.
Game 1.
Ovi and Wayne.
Yeah, game 1. Look at the people are leaving the building.
We can do this though.
How long is this going to go for, this 38 seconds? Attaboy, Furzy. Get it out. Get it out. I was never very good on breakaways.
Ovi and Wayne, we broke our 10K donation goal that game. Thank you
Yeah.
to everyone that has donated. Let's keep it rolling.
Yes.
All right. Thank you so much for everyone.
Thank you, guys.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh. All right, Ovi, we're down to our last 10 seconds here, man.
I can't believe it. I can't believe it.
Come on.
All right, let's go.
I'm trying. Go. Oh, no. Oh, no.
Ovi.
Oh, no.
Oh,
Yeah! Woo! Yes! Oh my God! What a play! Attaboy, Kev! Woo!
Even I'm laughing. That's pretty good.
When we scored that goal and for 2 seconds left, I was emotional.
Oh my God!
I was excited as as a little kid.
I know. 5 on 3.
Yeah!
I know. I know. It's okay.
Attaboy, Lar! Woo! Now fans back in the game.
All right.
Wow!